Hello Dave, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for this beautiful 2017 Can Am Spyder F3, 9,071 kilometers, and the price is $16,988 plus HST and licensing. The CC is 1330 cc's and it's the manual transmission. So the unit is very clean. You have brand new tires, two front new tires and one rear brand new tire. So the most important right now is available. If you want me to secure this Spyder, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. On behalf of Boss Motor, thank you for contacting us.